Let me ask you something. Do you understand English when you watch movies? Do you understand YouTube videos? Do you understand podcasts? But when someone talks to you and says, "Hey, how are you?" your mind suddenly goes empty. You freeze. You panic. You don't know what to say.
If that's you, listen carefully. Because you're not bad at English, you're not stupid, and you're definitely not alone. Millions of learners around the world have the same problem.
And today, we're going to explain why this happens, and more importantly, how to fix it step by step in a simple and friendly way. Stay until the end because we'll give you practical techniques you can start today, even if you're shy.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. This is a place where English feels easy, friendly, and possible.
We don't use difficult words, we don't judge mistakes, and we don't rush you.
Our goal is simple: help you understand English and help you use English.
Today's topic is one of the most important topics in language learning: why you understand English but can't speak it. Let's start with something very important.
Part 1: The real problem. Input versus output. Understanding the problem. To understand this problem, you only need to understand two simple words: input and output.
Input means what goes into your brain. For example, listening to podcasts, watching YouTube, watching movies, reading books, reading subtitles. All of this is input.
When you listen or read, information goes inside your brain. You receive language. That's input.
Now let's talk about output. Output is what comes out of you. That means speaking, writing. When you talk or write, you produce language.
The real imbalance. Here's the big problem for most learners. Your input is strong, but your output is weak.
And honestly, that makes total sense. Think about your daily life. You probably watch English videos, listen to English podcasts, scroll English content, read English posts. But how often do you actually speak?
Or how often do you write full sentences? Probably not much. So your brain becomes very good at understanding, but very bad at producing.
That's why you understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind freezes. And that's normal.
Important truth. Don't skip this. This problem does not mean your English is bad. It means your training is unbalanced.
You trained your eyes and ears, but not your mouth. And speaking is a skill, a physical skill, just like sports. Part 2. Fixing writing first. Output step 1. Why start with writing? Before speaking, let's start with writing. Why? Because writing is slower. You have time to think. You can stop. You can correct yourself.
Writing is like a bridge between understanding and speaking. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Share your thoughts. The first exercise is very simple. When you watch a video on YouTube, go to the comments and write your thoughts. That's it.
You can write things like, "I like this video. This was helpful. I learned something new today. I want more videos like this." Simple sentences are perfect.
You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. You just need to express your thoughts.
This is a warm-up, like stretching before exercise. Small action, big impact.
Step 2. Daily English Journal. 5 to 10 sentences. Now let's make it a little more serious, but still easy. Every day, write 5 to 10 sentences about your day.
You can answer simple questions like, what did I do today? How did I feel? What happened? What will I do tomorrow?
For example, today I watched an English video. I learned why I cannot speak fluently. I realized my problem is not grammar. It is practice. I want to write every day.
Perfect, simple, clear, and listen carefully. At this stage, grammar does not matter.
Yes, don't panic about mistakes. Your only goal is to make your brain produce English.
5 to 10 minutes a day is enough, but you must do it every day. Consistency beats talent.
Step 3. One paragraph on a simple topic. Now we move to the next level. Choose a very simple topic. For example, my dream job, my perfect holiday, what makes me happy, my favorite place, my biggest goal.
Write one paragraph, about 100 words. Now grammar becomes more important. Structure matters.
After writing, use AI to check your text. You can paste this prompt. I am trying to improve my writing. Please find my grammar and vocabulary mistakes, explain why they are wrong, and show me the corrected version.
This step is powerful because now you write, get feedback, understand your mistakes, learn structure.
Your brain starts thinking more clearly in English.
Step 4. Write a full essay, 3 to 4 paragraphs. Now we go to the advanced level. Write a full essay with 3 or 4 paragraphs. Topics can be like, is technology good for education? Is social media helpful or harmful? Should students study online or offline?
Here, organization matters. You are not just writing sentences, you are organizing ideas.
Again, after writing, use AI feedback. Focus on grammar, vocabulary, coherence, structure.
This trains your brain to think deeply in English.
Part 3. Speaking skills, the real problem. Speaking is a muscle. Now let's talk about speaking. Speaking is not magic. It's a muscle, and muscles need training.
If you never train your mouth, your tongue, and your rhythm, they won't work well. Let's fix that. Speaking step 1. Read aloud. Take a book. Open it. Read out loud. Yes, out loud.
You might think, this is reading, not speaking. But it is speaking. You are training your mouth.
You are building muscle memory. You are teaching your mouth how English feels.
Do this every day for a few minutes. It's simple, but very powerful.
Speaking step 2. Pretend you are presenting. Now stand up. Walk a little. Read again, but imagine an audience.
Imagine you're teaching, explaining, presenting.
This trick changes everything. Your brain stops reading and starts communicating.
You turn input into output. That's the goal.
Speaking step 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques. Choose a speaker you like. Clear accent, slow, and natural.
Play the video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly, again and again.
Listen. Pause. Repeat. Listen. Pause. Repeat.
You copy pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Your accent improves naturally.
Speaking step 4. Talk to yourself. This might sound strange, but it works incredibly well. Talk to yourself.
Yes, really. Imagine situations. Talk alone. Speak in your room.
Pretend you are talking to a friend, a teacher, an interviewer, an audience.
You can say things like, I think life is difficult sometimes. I believe people should work hard. What do you think about this? Then answer yourself.
Don't worry if someone thinks you're crazy. You're not crazy. You're training.
Speaking step 5. Speak with AI. Today we are lucky. We have AI. You can speak with AI anytime.
You don't need confidence. You don't need a partner. Just open voice mode and talk.
You can say, Hi, I want to practice my English, and the conversation starts.
You can make mistakes. You can repeat. You can learn safely.
This is one of the best tools for shy learners.
Speaking step 6. Speak with real people. This is the final goal. Speaking with real people.
Because language exists for communication, to connect, to share ideas.
Find people at your level. Join communities. Practice together.
It's hard at first. You'll feel nervous. That's normal.
But confidence comes after action, not before.
Let's summarize everything. If you understand English but can't speak, it's not your fault.
You had too much input and not enough output. Now you know how to fix it.
Write a little every day. Speak a little every day. Practice without fear.
Progress comes from small daily actions, not perfection, not talent. Consistency.
Before you leave, do one thing. Go to the comments. Write 1 or 2 sentences. Share your thoughts.
That's your first practice, your first output, right now.
Thank you for listening. Keep going. Keep practicing.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. See you in the next episode.